Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to use text-to-speech function in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step is to go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that CapCut is updated. When you do that, open CapCut and import your video you want to edit. Now you have to add the text over your video. I'm going to type 2 sentences, which I want to use with this text-to-speech function. You have a lot of voices available to you. When you type your sentences, select the first one, and then you will see a text-to-speech button here. So click it. Then a menu with a lot of different voices will show up for you. You even have a trickster voice in here. You also have male and female voices, kids' voices, and so on, and some of them are really high quality. And when you select a specific voice you want to use, click on the Apply to All button in the bottom left corner of the screen. That way the voice will be applied over all of your sentences and text. Let's hear the finished result.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe for more videos. Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe for more videos.
That is how you can use the text-to-speech feature in CapCut. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.